Good evening, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist here. Overnight outlook time. Let's take a look. Roanoke Valley temperatures 27 Hot Springs, 34 Staunton, 26 Lexington, 30 Roanoke, 27 Blacksburg, 27 Galax, 27 Martinsville, 28 Danville, 36 in Bristol. Taking a look at the national temperatures. Big changes here. 62 in Orlando. We're going to have probably severe weather. We'll go into that in a little bit. 0 in Bangor with the big fat goose egg. 23 New York, 30 Roanoke, 44 Atlanta, 32 Tulsa, 48 Houston, 60 LA, 46 Seattle, 32 Billings, 32 Salt Lake City, 20 Denver, 21 Minneapolis, 21 Chicago, 29 in Kansas City. Satellite here, we see the clouds coming in from the south and the west. They're going to filter in here in the Roanoke Valley, and that's going to cause the clouds to increase. Rain should start tomorrow afternoon, and it will change over to wintry precipitation and to all snow. And we're going to look at least 5 inches of snow coming here to Roanoke as the models are playing out. We also have a severe weather threat that'll be in Florida tomorrow, anywhere from Jacksonville south to Miami. It has a chance of high winds and tornadoes in their forecast, so be careful back there in that area. Alright. We'll start with the south of Mass here, the low pressure sitting here near Texas-Louisiana border. That's going to come to the northeast. You're going to see that on our as it moves along, and this thing is slowing down, which is not a good thing. The low then transfers energy to the coast, and we're going to get some snow back here, West Virginia, Virginia. We get some warm air also intruding in here. Start as rain, turn to mix, and mix precipitation to snow. And as we go along, the thing then really bombs out off the coast of Massachusetts. Massachusetts is going to get blasted too. Philly looks good in this new run. Baltimore, Washington, Roanoke. All these areas are looking pretty good in this whole generalized area for some snow, and that's where we're going with this. As we move on, you see the next system, which looks to be a warm system coming in across the country, moves out to sea, high pressure builds in, and will stay that way and give it a little bit of a break here on the east coast. Inch total area, and you can see that includes Roanoke in that area, so you get high risk here, a lot of high risk of 4 inches plus, 4 to 8 inches, so that's why I have a 5 to 10. We're thinking we're going to get pretty good precipitable pattern, and we get above 4 and 5 inches, and some areas close to 10. Watch this thing crank back up. GFS here. Here we go, starting up here. You see how the moisture moves up the coast. Still gives that big blast of moisture first in Roanoke, and then moves up to the north. You see the next Clipper system moves across, and then we have the next southern system try to develop in the middle of next week. We'll have to see how this all comes about, and then another system. So we have a few systems coming up here in February, beginning of February. But looking at this, we definitely do get that one good blast of snow coming up here in the next 48 hours. Here it goes again. That's a nice looking storm, healthy looking. That's the GFS. It's followed right, like I said, right along with the NAM when we were talking on the radio tonight. So, and I hope everybody enjoyed live weather blogs on blog radio tonight. I know I enjoyed it, coming to you and talking and with the Fino and Rob also. So we enjoyed doing it for you, and hopefully you enjoyed listening. Make sure you're listening more. You'll see on my written part of the section I did a blog here on with coloration and what's going to go on here. You know, I went over a little chart here, less than 1 inch, 2 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch, and you can get the idea. Put X's with everything that came close. See, I got the Roanoke up to 6, Triad 2, Triangle Norfolk 1, and I also made it colorful. If it's over 4 inches, you got a blue. If it's bigger than 6, you got a red, and if it's less than 2, you had a fuchsia color. And that's how I did this. And official calls here: Triad 1 to 3, Philly 6 to 12, DC 5 to 8, Roanoke 5 to 10. So that's my official call here. I'm gonna stick with that forecast now. I don't see anything really changing in the forecast to get away from that, which is my original numbers for Philly and also for Roanoke, which is good. We'll see how it all pans out tomorrow night. Alright, let's take a look at our pinpoint forecasts. Starting with tomorrow, 46 degrees, warm, right before we drop the bottom out. increasing clouds. Then we get a rain start, returning to all snow and sleet overnight. 36 Tuesday, Wednesday, snow and sleet all day. Accumulations will be approaching 4 inches during the day there. Snow likely at night on Wednesday night, which are going to be your most accumulating. Snow will get up to 5 to 10 inches. And then clearing after Thursday night and Friday, with highs right around normal, 40 degrees. Starting rain on Tuesday, 47, 36 rain Tuesday night, rain snow mix on Wednesday. Wednesday night, wintry mix, sleet and freezing rain. And going to snow, we have a chance of 1 to 3 inches there. That's 28, 43 Thursday, 43 Friday with mostly sunny skies. Starting to fit a triangle, we're looking at all rain. 48 Tuesday, 38 Tuesday night, 44 Wednesday, 30 Wednesday night, all rain. You may see a little end of snow. If that does happen, you might get up to 1 inch of accumulation. Other than that, you're not going to see any. 45 degrees on Thursday, 44 on Friday. We're moving right along up to Northern Virginia. Rain changing to snow on Tuesday partly sunny, 49. Rain changing to snow Tuesday night, 33, 38 on Thursday. We're looking at 48 inch snowfall between Wednesday and Wednesday night. Thursday, 39, partly sunny, mostly sunny, 40 on Friday. Alrighty. So we're expecting some snowstorms to affect us here in the Roanoke Valley. We're looking at some good snowfall amounts. And we also watch out for the severe weather in Florida. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest information. We'll keep you updated here on the latest on the winter storm. Also, make sure you visit our chat room here at liveweatherblogs.com. Always interesting information going on here in the chat. The radio show, make sure you go to blogtalkradio.com/liveweatherblogs and then find the latest weather blogs. We're going to be on the air. Come from Rob Reno's link right to the site, and you enjoy it. So I hope you guys all had a good night. Y'all up in the Fidelity Valley are going to be happy with the possibility of snow, and you're going to have a great evening tonight. I hope you enjoyed the radio show, and we'll talk to you later. This is Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist. Have a great evening.